like, no matter what you do, if you put it on the internet, someone's gonna hate it. Like, no matter what, someone's gonna hate it. But it's fine. Like, I get to have fun. Like, I'm here, and I get to do this, so I don't care. They're on the internet. It doesn't matter.
YouTube, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy C Daddy. Today we have extreme weather fails, people versus nature, bro. Nah, this I don't know. I'm not really in a laughing mood, but I mean, it still should be funny, bro, because this is AFV. AFV is the only video that make me laugh. I don't know what it is. I don't know because I'm recording or if it's AFV, but usually, like, if I'm not recording, but I'm not laughing at some shit I'm looking at. But the funniest video is when the wind was blowing crazy and the trampoline flew and hit this girl in front of her mom, bro. And that's basically an extreme weather fail. So, hey, let's see if we get some shit like that. And I doubt that's gonna be in this video because I'm not gonna lie, that shit was in the newer video. On order to 50,000, let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, about to hit 40,000 though. That shit wicked. That shit is wicked. What? Why are y'all even out? Why are y'all even outside playing? Like, I'll be inside.
Oh!
What the hell? First of all, how are you even going home? How are you going home? Y'all white people are different, bro. Y'all do some crazy shit. That niggas is not doing. Niggas is just not doing that. I love some daredevils, boy.
Oh my gosh! This is how we put the trash. This is how we put the trash out on an easy day.
That is the all. Thank you.
So cold.
It's a walk.
That's Sonic?
That is the all.
Oh yeah, hold on. Is that Sonic? Yeah, that's Sonic.
Thank you.
That is Sonic 100%. Damn.
So cold.
Y'all got Sonic where y'all from?
It's a water angel.
Oh my.
And look, the difference is, nigga, my son would never do this in his entire life. Ever. I never even done this shit. My son's not doing it. His son's not doing it. His son's son not doing it. His son's son not doing it. Like, it's just insane, bro.
Water angel.
Oh my.
A water angel. She just recording.
Oh, you alright?
I got two of them, so I can run into my neighbor's yard.
I think it just has the ocean in his front yard. That's why I'm liking where I'm at low key right now, because I never had to deal with no tornado, no flood. Like, I mean, I dealt with a flood, but it really never affected me too much. So it wasn't no shit like I walk outside and it's I got a whole lake in front of my front yard now. Like, this is insane. This nigga has a whole boat and paddling with a shovel, a kid's shovel, by the way. Like, what?
I can run into my neighbor's yard.
He's having fun too. I'm going to my neighbor's house now. Looking at it.
Awesome if lightning struck me right now.
Y'all niggas be playing with fire. Umbrella, and you're up under a tree and you talking about lying. If I'm lying, strike me right now. Like, or some shit, whatever she said.
It would be awesome if lightning struck me right now.
I don't know what she said. She needs a mic. Mic her up. I think she going down an avalanche. She good. She's just recording and laughing. This nigga trying not to. Why are you eating ice cream in the rain while you're cold? What the fuck? And why is the top down? Or you can't lift the top up in this Jeep or wherever the fuck this is? And why does she have it all over her? Oh my gosh. You not know it's can't be that good. I ain't gonna lie. I would have if it's that bad. I'm just I don't litter, bro. But I'm damn near throwing it out the window. Yo, if I didn't have nowhere to put it. See, like some shit like this. If I could swim, I might. If I could actually swim, I might do. That shit look fun. So you live in Oklahoma, bro. You can't do it.
Is still standing. I cannot get over how windy it is. Oh my God.
Okay, so the roof is leaking. It's raining inside, and somebody put some helpful buckets. Very helpful. So helpful.
So today's my birthday, and all my friends are coming over. So I
mean, shit is better than nothing. I'm not gonna lie, I'd rather that than nothing. Lame man, nigga, how about you a better bucket, nigga? Get you a better bucket.
happy. It's such a beautiful.
I promise you, that shit caught more water than it didn't catch for right now.
So helpful.
So today's my birthday, and all my friends are coming over. So I'm so happy. It's such a beautiful day outside. As you can see, clear sky.
Want to keep everything nice and cool.
You in Chirac, nigga? Did she just get? There's no way she has ops, so there's no way niggas just spun her block.
See, clear sky.
Oh shit! I ain't gonna lie, it might have been GG's. Oh my lord!
Nice and close to you.
They shot 4 snipers at her at one time.
So then we open this up. There. All done.
You thought he was doing a tutorial how to. Alright now. I ain't gonna lie. I would have been embarrassed if this is my family. If I'm just looking at this happen, I'm just doing this, bro. Head down. It's like what the fuck are y'all doing? Thankfully my family's not bots like this, bro. What the fuck are y'all doing? Y'all getting blitzed by wind? And that the wind didn't even look that strong. This is understandable. Scary ass. Disowning the dog. What the fuck? What the fuck am I looking at right here? Am I looking at Netflix? Oh, what is this? In the middle of the fucking neighborhood. This is like, what the fuck is this? Yeah, that's a reflection, nigga. That shit looks crazy. What the fuck was Oh, hell no. Nah, there's a reason they're not showing her legs. That shit look crazy.
We go out.
Let's go, Angel. Come on, bear. You got it? No.
Bougie ass dog.
That was not the way it was supposed to go. But
Is that ashes? What did she think it's gonna?
It's up to my knee.
Is that quicksand, nigga? wet rain boots all on the carpet.
Go.
Where was you taking your son?
Hey, come on! Quickly! Come on!
Oh yeah, that would piss me off. Yeah, lame ass nigga, scary ass nigga. Don't try to run in now. Spooky ass. Oh yeah, it's wraps. Y'all night's over. Why y'all playing in the wet mud? What? Oh! Oh! I ain't gonna lie, I would have been blowed. What is he doing? Showering? Nigga ass inside, nigga. Oh, I thought that nigga leg snapped.
Don't go in that water. These storms have never been captured on live.
Come here, box. Oh,
Stop popping that smiley face. Stop popping that smiley face up over everything, bro. I'm keep thinking you trying to cover something because a nigga bone done popped out. That shit had me thinking a nigga bone done popped out. Stop popping that smiley face up every 10 seconds. I know this video is 2 years old, but nigga, 2 years ago was 2023, nigga. Why are you popping smiley faces every 10 seconds? How is that a weather fail or how is that supposed to be funny? Because the wind moved them backwards and forward? Ooh, ha ha ha. What the hell? Oh!
It's raining popcorn. Maybe the trees are hungry. He just fell in the pool.
What did you do?
He just did this. He went one, two. Oh God!
What's going on today, weatherman Braxton?
I never heard no shit like that in my life. It's raining popcorn. You pushing up on a duck? But you'd have been cooked, bro. If it was something, you'd have been cooked. You ran 2 miles per hour.
What?
Now you're done. Oh, cold, cold.
Wipe it off.
Off my face. Come on, Daddy.
Hit something like this or something, nigga. Fuck. Hit something. Oh, freeze. It's okay. I know that nigga right side is freezing though.
Ooh, it feels weird, huh?
Caught in a rainstorm. We're at Tappan Lake. It's okay, bud.
You're crying. You're crying over thunder, bro. In 2025.
Go back. Stop taking pictures.
But we're storm chasers.
No, we're not.
Why are you forcing this nigga to be? Why are you forcing this nigga to be a storm chaser? He said, nigga, no, we not, nigga, you are. What the fuck is that? That can't be no tornado, nigga. It look like a stairway to heaven. Cause I don't know. That shit looks weird. That can't be a tornado.
Go back. Stop taking pictures.
But we're storm chasers.
No, we're not.
Are you doing that in a Braves jersey? doing? What's the point? I'm so confused. Is she stepping in hot water? Cold water? Damn.
It's gonna storm and it's 6:01.
If I ever have to do some shit like this where I live, nigga, I'm moving. The next chance I can, I'm moving.
It's gonna storm and it's 6:01, and outdoor it's 105 degrees and it feels like 116 degrees. It is so hot outside, bro. Guys, this is funny. Trap!
She's She act like that motherfucker don't hurt. Wait about 10 seconds. He proposed me first.
Just let it.
Fuck that shit. Know that shit hurt.
Oh my god. Oh,
Bro, throw that sweet ass flag away. I mean, umbrella away. It's gone. That's the ass umbrella. Cutting the grass in the pouring rain is crazy. You deserve this. I doubt that's what happens normally, but just because you was in the rain, but like, you're not supposed to be doing this in the rain, bro. Especially like this. You can probably get away when it just start to sprinkle, but after that, no. That shit's tough. Oh! I about to say, I thought that nigga ran full speed into that, but he drove by. I about to say, there's no way. I thought that nigga drove full speed into it.
go again, but I'm not gonna. Don't let them get wet.
Biking in floods? Oh.
I'm crying. I can't see. I got sand in my eye.
Bro, I would never get my ass. I promise, I'll never get my ass whooped by an umbrella in my entire life. I'll stand up. This nigga he's so damn lazy. He don't want to stand up to get it right. He want to do it on his ass. Nigga, get your big ass up. Get your big ass up. Embarrass yourself in front of the huz, my nigga, at the beach. You embarrass yourself in front of the huz at the beach, my nigga. You probably don't care about the huz, but still, you're embarrassing. You probably do not care about the huz though. By the looks of it, you don't. Damn. He got a plate full of food, man. He can't do nothing about it, bro. Just pull your britches up, but there's no reason. If that happens, if you run and that happens, bro, your pants are too damn big, bro. You lost some weight. Congratulations, but you're finna gain it right back. So keep them pants, actually. Keep them pants. Nigga, whole ass out.
Well, get here.
What is she doing? Oh, she's on the ice?
Don't tear my door off.
fuck did this nigga live at? Having a beach day in the snow? Oh hell no! This nigga's in Minnesota. He's for sure in Minnesota. What type of shit is this? Oh, he was clip farming. This nigga did that and got up and left. He's clip farming. Is that an old man over there? Did I just see a straight old man? Did I just... What the fuck is this? Is that a zombie nigga? What the fuck is that? And what was the point of that video?
This is how people break bones. You're gonna die.
Damn, like, what the fuck? Like, damn, she said, like, damn. Oh, 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 oh. Better the hose. Oh. That's tough. You gotta hit it from the back, nigga. That's how you gotta hit it from the back. This is dumb.
Here we go. Whoa!
But this is not the 1700s, bro. You cannot just go outside and take a shower in the rain no more, bro. Like, what the hell are you doing? Unless you're homeless.
That bag right there. Free hot
Can I get a hot tub?
Free hot tub coming at you.
Can I get a hot tub? And that bitch just start floating down. I'll take it too. Yeah, I'm taking that.
Thank you so much for helping us.
Go, 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 go.
I swear, bro, these dogs. These dogs. These like it's probably one of the most generic cartoon dog. They always look like this. Some shit like that would never happen to me. What the hell? Did you grab a mushroom?
Oh my god, look at that. I'm going home. I'm afraid.
Fuck? That tree giving your house back shots, nigga? What the fuck was that?
God, look at that.
What the fuck is this tree doing to you? What? This nigga is going fishing in his front yard. See, look, that's what I'm saying. But some places I just cannot live. There's no way I'm going fishing in my front yard, bro. Like, that shit is insane. He took out a fishing hook. He's literally about to catch a fish, bro. He's about to have dinner. He's not going hungry. He's about to have dinner. There's fish in there. What the fuck are y'all? Why is niggas cutting the grass in the rain? And nigga, your grass is already cut. You're clip farming. You're cutting nothing.
This is one at Crystal Lake.
What is he trying to do?
Come on.
So these niggas be trying to have fun with the weather. I'm not mad at that, but like. Hell no, you can't do that if you live in Oklahoma though. Look at this wind. How? How do you have the Nigga, do you own this road? I would do some shit like this. I might bust my ass though, but this shit look fun.
We come to New York. State building. This is the view. You don't get to see anything.
Shorty, you is chopped, bro. You is chopped.
And there goes her daughter with a cardboard box. She ran into the truck.
Why are you blind running with a? Why are you blind running with a cardboard box on your head?
Oh my.
Turn it around.
I'll never get my ass whooped by. Yo, you got whooped by a trash can. You gave up. You didn't even accomplish the job. See, look, some shit like that just would never happen to me. If I'm out there and I get my ass whooped by a trash can, which would never happen, I'm getting the job done. There's no way I'm going inside the house. I wouldn't be able to live with myself just knowing that I just got my ass whooped by a trash can and it won. If I'm getting my ass whooped, I gotta win with a trash can. I would have said, fuck it.
I don't know why the game isn't canceled yet. Because we're out here in elements. And we're just trying so hard to keep the kids grounded. But soccer must go on.
What the fuck? What did I just look at? What did I just what? This look kind of creepy though.
I don't know why the game isn't canceled yet. Because we're out here in elements. And we're just trying so hard to
Do the wind make everybody chop? Do the wind make everybody chop?
Soccer must go on.
Soccer must go on. Like that whole clip was weird. She okay, nigga? It's like niggas throwing rocks at y'all shit.
Only my husband. What are you doing?
No, it's not only your husband. It's multiple dumbasses. Not just your husband. You watering the plants. That's in the water in the. Okay. You water in the rain. You basically water in the rain.
Push it!
Push it to the limit.
Harder!
Okay, here we go.
No, don't go. I want a video. No, Mom. No.
You gotta. I hope that's not your husband or son in the passenger seat. Just recording. Getting her ass whooped by a win. He about to bust his ass. Let me know what y'all thinking down below. On with the 50,000, man. I'm out to this bitch.